Now let's review the folding instructions. Note that the Fox 5 can be folded with the stroller seat in either direction or with the bassinet attached. It can also stand on its own in the folded position thanks to the new and improved self-stand design. First, line up the seat or bassinet frame with the direction of the handlebar. Engage the one-touch brake and lower the push bar. Engage the safety lock and middle adjustment button on the handlebar. Lower the handlebar to the ground while pulling up on the seat or bassinet frame to complete the standing fold. To unfold the stroller, pull up on the belly bar until you can reach the handlebar and set the stroller to an upright position. You will hear an audible click. Adjust the seat and handlebar to your desired position and you're ready to roll. To create a more compact fold for tighter spaces, you can take off your seat or bassinet and set it aside and fold the frame separately so you can store both easier.